Hey guys, welcome back to one more of my video. And now I'm starting this video from here. Let's go together. I will show you guys around of our new location. Let's enjoy this video together as usual. Let's go. I just came off the train right here. A continuation of the other video. Just came off the train. And now we're on our way to exit this area. We get out of here before, as you can see, a lot of people is here, a lot of traffic. So let's go enjoy the city together. We're going to stay here for 2 days, then we head back. So welcome to the second city here. So welcome guys to Valencia, beautiful Valencia. We need to get another bus, 2 more buses to our final destination. So welcome guys, look at this beautiful sunny day here in Valencia. Beautiful, look at those artwork. So now, as I said, we going to find bus. I think we need to have like 2 separate buses, and then we're going to end up to the place that we need to be. Before I can really fully explore, I need to just find our place first where we're going to stay. That's how we go. Everywhere you go, they do the same type of driving. So guys, we are on the crossing here. We don't have to see any light. So we are assuming, yep. So we can just cross. So that's what we're doing. So you have a couple bus stops. You have there, and you have here. You need to find a shade because it's super hot. This section is for bicycle and scooter. So this is a bus stop, different city. We're gonna see how the bus service is here. I used to this red color type of bus, but we'll see. So just came off the train now. On the bus, first bus, we need to have 2 buses today. The little dearer down here compared. It was cheaper in Madrid. Here's a little bit more money costing. I recall I will definitely have to get one or delete to make some space. So we are here waiting. Nice AC bus, and we are waiting now for it to take us to the next destination. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I have to take out my earpiece because I noticed the volume is not good with the earpiece in it. Hope you guys are hearing me well. I need definitely to get one of those mic system. So we finally make it here on the second bus. Now I am heading now to go to the apartment. The good thing here, I can see supermarket, place to eat, so it's like everything in one. And that's very, very good after a 3-hour journey to get here. So now, very, very happy. Just taking a nice sun bath while we go to the apartment, and I will come and check out this area right here. One thing I can see, they have a lot of bicycle lane, scooter lane, so you have to be careful when you're here. Look out for the bicycle lane, scooter lane, and a lot more. So let's go ahead and come along with me while I explore this area. The sun is really hot. While we go and explore this area together. Beautiful place. Actually, I need a photo. Finally, guys, we are inside. Here it will give you the rules of the apartment. They have it in English and they have it in Spanish. So you read the rules right here. All the emergency procedure. So here we have area for mopping and dusting. Just place to keep stuff. You have a microwave. We have a stove here, and we have a washing sink. Nicely set up. Everything is here. You know, they give us what they give us here, like some little muffin. I guess that is part of it. We also have a nice little outside patio to go and sit. I'm looking for the freezer. So we have plate here. These are all the accessories that we're gonna need if we are cooking. You know, we have our pot. Nice little place. So don't worry, you're covered. And this is Airbnb, so if you don't want to go hotel way, then this way you can choose. You have the washing machine right here, so you can wash your clothes. And we're gonna definitely wash some clothes. We're gonna buy the soap so we can get our clothes washed. I am assuming, oh, right here is the freezer. And here is the fridge. Very nice, wow. Massive. Nice fridge and freezer together right here. And I said before, we have the microwave here. Press, door open, close back. Well put together. A dining area and our sitting living area with our television, Wi-Fi. Everything is set up, everything is good. So room, nice little room. As I said, just set up nice. You have a window here. You can get some morning lights here. Oh, it's too dark now. Yep. Welcoming towel. Nice. We have our charging port. Very, very important. The light that we're gonna need, reading light. You have the overhead light, all important stuff. Okay, full tour, just to finish up on the tour. Inside we have the bathroom, of course, nice little bathroom here. So you have this two toilet thing. If you know, you know. Then you have the stand-up shower, beautiful. They have the mat to put at the floor mat when you finish your shower. Very, very nice put together. I think those are some bought Central Island stuff that we're gonna maybe use. And I like this classic setup of this face basin. And we have more towel, a bin there, and a hair blower here. So everything to keep you going and just to make you feel comfortable while you're here. Welcome. Alright guys, so all checked in and everything. Now gonna go do liquor shopping for the Airbnb. Everything is convenient, even pharmacy is there. So this is a you have Burger King if you're into fast food, and you have decent fine dining restaurant around. We're very happy so far. This is more welcoming here, and one thing we noticed is that the price here is more expensive than Madrid, as this is like fully, closer to the beach and everything, so I think costs more here. A lot more tourists come here also. You can actually rent yourself a scooter, bicycle, e-bike, car, whatever you choose to do. But if you just want to explore and get more, jump on the bus, as I said before, go on the train. This is really giving me like a local experience, and this is why I am enjoying it so far. Not just feeling like I'm a tourist, feeling like I'm a local, taking what the local would have eating what they eat. You know, feel like I'm at home. Airbnb make you feel like you're at home away from home. So I would strongly recommend Airbnb over a hotel. And look, we have Liddy here. I'm gonna go inside now and see what they have, pick up some stuff. Our building is just right there. Bicycle you can always rent. I don't think that one is for renting anyhow. Okay, I'm gonna pick up some stuff, and still I need to get that memory card also. Alright guys, so just